Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to write a writ of mandamus in a simple, practical way so you understand the structure and what actually goes into it. So first, a quick reminder, a writ of mandamus is a legal complaint filed in federal court asking a judge to force a government agency to make a decision on your case. You're not asking for approval, just action. Now, let's go step by step. You start with the caption. This includes the court name, usually a U.S. District Court, followed by your name as the plaintiff and the government officials or agencies as defendants, such as USCIS or the Department of Homeland Security. Next comes the Introduction and Jurisdiction section. Here, you explain what the case is about and why the court has the authority to hear it. You'll typically reference federal statutes that give the court power to act when an agency unreasonably delays a decision. After that, you move into the facts of the case. This is where you clearly explain your situation. Include details like when you filed your immigration application, what type of case it is, how long it has been pending, and any attempts you've made to follow up. Keep this section factual, organized, and supported by evidence. Then comes the legal claim. This is where you argue that the delay is unreasonable and that the agency has a duty to make a decision. You're basically telling the court that you've waited long enough and deserve a response. After that, you include the request for relief. This is a short section where you clearly state what you want the court to do, which is to order the agency to take action on your case within a reasonable time. You'll also need to attach supporting documents, often called exhibits. These can include receipt notices, emails, service requests, and any proof showing how long your case has been pending. Finally, you sign the complaint and file it with the court along with the required filing fee. Now, an important note, while this is the general structure, writing a writ of mandamus is a legal process, not just a simple letter. Small mistakes can affect your case, so many people choose to work with an attorney. Subscribe the channel for more videos.